Good morning, guys. It doesn't get any prettier than that, does it? What a beautiful sunrise. Good morning, my community. Jill here with North Texas Vegetable Gardening Canning. Recipes, a little bit of everything. So I went out there and planted some more on that back acre. Ooh, you guys pray that we get a good harvest. This morning, I'm picking a specialty squash that's hard to find. And it is a German favorite. I don't know why. I tried to find out why, but Pop, his family came over here and settled in New Braunfels. And actually his grandfather was one of the original settlers in New Braunfels. And he said this was the squash that they ate, that he had never eaten yellow squash or zucchini until later on in his life. Isn't that beautiful? So this is the white patty pan squash. You can eat this the same way as you do zucchini. Pop said they traditionally ate it fried. Is that not gorgeous, guys? So it's best picked when it's about 2 to 4 inches in diameter, guys, and it's best then also because it's tender. I know he is going to be so excited about this because he's been watching this all week. And I think I got a couple in here to pick for him. If you're growing this variety, you need to watch it once it starts blooming because it's about a 4-day turnaround once they get about that size. So this one will be ready probably in a day or two. Isn't that beautiful? That is just such a beautiful, beautiful squash. Not counting the rest of it, guys. Our squash is starting to come in. That hand pollination is really paying off. So this squash is also known as the UFO squash because it looks like a UFO. Oh, he's going to be so excited. So I hadn't done an update lately. Let me show you how things are faring here on the farm and how much things have grown. See that big old high tunnel behind me. Guys, I'd say that the Lord's been good to us. He's been very good to us so far this spring, and we're just counting on him to put his blessing upon our farm and on our harvest. And we're believing him for your harvest as well. When I read your comments, I pray for you where I see there's concern. And we are expecting some severe weather tonight. We'll see if that comes to fruition. So pray about that, guys. But yeah, wanted to give you a go at what everything is happening here. And you can see behind me over here, this is the other high tunnel. What do y'all think? Lord's been good to us, hasn't he? So this time last year, we had already had over 23 or 24 90-degree days. We've only had 2, I think, so far, which is such a blessing. we were burning up terribly and everything else was burning up too. And we already had gardener's fatigue this time last year. So it is so nice and so beautiful to see everything greened up because of all the rain we've gotten. There goes my hubs. He's headed back there to till up another spot, guys, because guess what I'm planting in that back acre? Purple hull peas. We got some coming up all over the place, actually, but I want to do a whole row of purple hull peas back there. And it's not too late for those because they like the heat. Anyway, going back to what I was saying is everything is green. Everything is just looking gorgeous, and can't be more blessed than we feel right now. My heart overflows with thankfulness, and we are just asking for the Lord to keep blessing us. Sorry, a phone was coming through, phone call. We were just asking for the Lord to bless us, and this morning I see we have some disease on some of our tomatoes. Everything's not perfect, but we think we know it's the soil, and so we know we got to make some changes, but they're still producing. And Greg's tomatoes, though, look fantastic. It's the tomatoes in the little high tunnel that's showing that black spot. And we've just been wrestling with that, with the humidity and the cool nights. But so I was praying this morning as I was walking back there to plant some more, and the Lord just said, not by power, not by might, but by my spirit, says the Lord. So I'm just doing what he tells me to do, and I'm continuing to walk forward and walk the path I believe he has set out before us, and we get up and we get to work every day, and I am declaring not by power, not by might, but by his spirit, and that's how I feel about it. So no need to get stressed out, no need to get worried, because it's really up to him as to what we get in our harvest. So thank you guys for watching. If you're new to our channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Give us a green thumbs up. And guys, we thank you sincerely for your support. I know we have our core people that always watch us and always comment, and we thank you so very much, and we love you, and we would like to, of course, expand the community, and not by power, not by might, but by my spirit, says the Lord. So that is where we're at, and I'm going to pray that you can get some peace in there too. And so guys, that's the story for today. That's the update for today. God bless you all. We will see you soon. Get to planting.